Today we're going to multiply by 9 and we're going to be using the trick. I'm going to be using the example 17 times 9. The trick says to multiply the number you're multiplying 9 by to 10. So 17 times 10 is equal to 170. Then you're going to take 170 and subtract that same number, and that will be your answer. This will take some mental math, so I would probably take 170 minus 20, which equals 150. Since 20 is 3 more than 17, I would add 3. I would add 3 to the answer and get 153. So 17 times 9 is equal to 153. Why does this work? Well, we know that 9 is equal to 10 minus 1. So when we multiply 17 times 9, it is the same as multiplying by 17 by 10 minus 1. And by the distributive property, we're going to multiply 17 to 10 and get 170 minus 17 times negative 1, or 17 times 1 is 17, and you will get 153. Now we're going to use a different example which involves decimals and zeros, and the example that I'm going to use is 90 times 3.8. We're going to disregard the 0 and the decimal point, and we're going to go through the steps. So we're going to take 38 times 10, which is equal to 380. We're going to take 380 minus 38. Again, this will take some mental math, so what I would do is I would take 380 minus 40, which equals 340. That is easier to do in our head. But because 40 is 2 more than 38, I'm going to add 340 to 2 and get 342. Then I'm going to go back to the original problem, and I'm going to use test for reasonableness. 3.8 is close to 4. So 90 times 4 is 360. 342 would then be a reasonable answer.